Just kidding. Hello everyone, Jane Galena here, also known as Airplane Jane. I was being goofy on the first take of this, so gotta get that laughter in, right? Sometimes life can be not so fun, so let's just laugh about it and enjoy it, right? So in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can really make those goals and dreams happen. They start by actually planning out your day, and there's books all about the highly effective people. Also read some stuff and spoken with Gary Cox, also with James McNeil, about how to really take these steps and creating those habits in allowing yourself to become more productive, right? And one of the best Christmas gifts that I asked for and has truly helped me to become super productive in 2021 as far as reaching goals and dreams is this awesome high performance planner. You can't see the title of it, but let's see, if I turn it like this, you can sort of see that it does have it on there. And this is by Brendan Burchard, Burchard, I don't know how to say his last name. But anyway, this is from Amazon, and it's really cool because it talks about the ways that you can be really, really productive. He worked with people for over 20 years as making them efficient, high performance managers, to moms of 6, entrepreneurs, business owners, salespeople. And it comes down to pretty much basic habits of writing out your goals, short-term goals. What do you want for the end of the week? What do you want to accomplish today? What do you want to accomplish over the week? What do you want to accomplish over the month, over the year, over 3 years, over 5 years? And then holding yourself accountable, right? If we want something in our lives, who's going to do it for us? You have to do it for yourself, right? If you want to make something happen, if you want it bad enough, you need to make it happen for yourself. If you want to be an entrepreneur, what does that look like for you? How are you going to make that happen? What do you need to do to make it happen? Write down those goals. I want you to put your dreams and your goals down in the comments below. And if I have any knowledge about it, I will try to help you the best way that I can. I think the best way for a fellow entrepreneur to help somebody else is if we all lift each other up, right? We all have dreams and goals, and if somebody tells you you can't do that, just prove them wrong, right? Show them that you have enough drive and you have enough motivation to make your dream happen. Maybe somebody says you'll never graduate from college, or you're never going to pass that exam, or you're never going to own a house, you'll never live there, you'll never get that job. Prove them wrong, is what I have to say. If you want it, take steps to make it happen. We are the own boundaries. The thoughts that I have are the boundaries that I have. The thoughts that you have are the boundaries for yourself. So you have to believe in yourself that you can do it. I believe you can do it if you have the thought that you can do it. If you think you can't, likely you won't, right? And this planner has really helped me because I've been able to track what I wanted to have happen over the week and what I actually did. And in this planner, you set up what you would like to have happen over the week, the important things that you have going on over the month, like my daughter's birthday is coming up. Okay, what does that include for me? Well, I've got to make the cake. I've got to make sure that we have the food. Now that we're in quarantine during COVID, thankfully I have all the presents. They're already wrapped. What about balloons? Not going to happen this year. It's okay. It's part of the year, right? But planning things out, making a checklist. Also, as a pilot, checklists really help to ensure that you get things done. This is a checklist for your goals of your life and keeping you motivated, keeping you on track. And if you don't hold yourself accountable, nobody else will, right? So if you are driven to make something happen, hold yourself accountable. Write down your goals, write down your dreams, write down what needs to happen. Follow up at the end of the day. Hey, did you do everything that you set out to do for the day? Or did something fall through the cracks? Maybe something happened unexpected in life. That does happen. And we have to embrace life as it comes to us. Not necessarily struggle with it, but try to accomplish the most that we can in our time that we are here, right? That makes us happy. To me, love and happiness are the two most priceless things on the earth. I'm getting emotional about this because if you're not happy, what is life, right? You only have one shot at this. So you need to truly enjoy it. And I hope you guys can feel my emotion. Like, I just wish that you have the best life possible. That if you're not happy with what's going on in your life, if you're not happy with your job, take steps to potentially find a new job that will fulfill your dreams. If you want to live in a different city, hey, after college, I lived in Memphis, Tennessee. I didn't feel like living there anymore. I wanted to move to Atlanta. What did I do? Well, I found an apartment, I found a job, I picked up and I moved. Go for your goals, go for your dreams, go for your aspirations, and make them happen for yourself. I will be the first cheerleader on the side cheering you on that you've got this. You can do it with enough drive and energy and dedication to make it happen. So have an amazing day. Follow up for my next video where I talk about a little goal that I just achieved as well. See you soon. Have a great day. Bye.